Hey everyone, I made it into Marshall's, so we have the green tea for 8. Okay, plenty of hemps today, and nothing really too new in the beauty. What is that one? Estee Lauder. Oh, that's body lotion for $29.99. I've never seen like the body lotion, and normally these are behind boxes. Okay, foaming cleanser. I think that might be it, but I did find like soap. If you love soap, they have sea salt and lime. Get a little scrubber, pink sky, rose scented, like sugar scrub, a little scoop, raw sugar kids. These are bath bombs. Oh look, they even have cucumber mint. Interesting. These are $5.99. More hemp, sandalwood, and apple. Shower gel, Dr. Teal's body lotion, oh, elderberry, and vitamin D for $4. I don't think I ever seen the Dr. Teal's body lotion. Let me walk down here. Coconut body lotion, one wash body cleanser for $8. Hand cream, more hemp, and this is going to be hand soap. Dunn hand wash, sugar foaming body scrub, that's $5.99. I love always, and these little, you know, makeup washing your face. But you know what, these right here, you're supposed to tie your hair. So when you put these on your hair, I know a lot of people leave this up front, but these go in the back, and you're supposed to put your like leftover hair in it so it doesn't like come down to your face. Oh my gosh, look, they have Avatar eyeshadow palette for $4. Avatar is getting like really popular. It's kind of weird, right? I mean, it's still around.
It'd be neat if they did a good
Ooh, look at
of the
the
movie.
inside.
Oh, that's cool. We got Aang and Katara. They got Zuko on it.
We have Air, Avatar, Moon Patch, Hot Stuff.
I don't remember
That's
the
kinda cool.
Earthbender girl's name, but she's on there too.
Okay, Milani for $7. I'm not too. Eyeshadow, more eyeshadow for $13. Oh, what is that? Oh, these are tattoos for your face. I was like, what is that? That's different. Never seen that here. Let's see, Ellen Tracy, Manic Panic. I didn't know Manic Panic had eyeshadow. I used to use Manic Panic all the time back in the day, high school. Oh gosh, I mean, it's still around. It does stain your clothing, so that's why I kind of stopped using it. That's pretty cool here. It's all Frosted Flakes palette for $17. Strobing and shading, I'm not too sure how much. $5.99. And then more like beauty concepts. So here's a Manic Panic. Got cotton candy, deep purple, blue moon. Ooh, I like that green envy. What is this one? The healthy deodorant. These are $8. Okay. Bladder liners. These are more band-aids. Okay. Vitamins, Cetaphil. Let's see. Oh, they have ones that are like Mickey patches today. I don't think I've seen the Mickey patches, but you know, I've seen the star one and like the moon. Here's a new one, the cucumber. These are $4, yeah. Ooh, the cracked heel stick, there's plenty. And then you know what, I thought I saw new jewelry. Might be over here. They do have new hair clips, like the large butterfly, $5.99. Look how huge, $8. Look at this one. These are $8. I don't know why, but these give me like Renaissance vibes. The Renaissance is gonna be here, so I plan on going this year. I didn't go the last year, and then you know how it was shut down. But I'm really excited. I used to go all the time when my kids were younger. Oh, look how cute. These are $7. And then here's some St. Patrick's Day. It looks like $8. We have Lucky for $5.99. Many headbands, and these are cute too. Right? I think these are 5. I think they're 5 or 9. Okay, perfume, rose quartz. Here's a Juicy Forever. This one is 17. Pure, okay, that's Poppy. Oh, they have a body spray too, okay. Mystic Moon Dust. And nothing too new in like the perfume. BFF, that is 10. Okay, Michael Kors today for 130. Here's the Aldo ones, actually quite nice for 35. It looks like a jelly heart for 15. The jelly heart. Okay, BB. They're bringing out a lot of these like wicker baskets. I call them wicker. Okay, Kate Spade, 119. Look at this one. That's interesting. Oh, this is all they have. A lot of Kate Spade. That mini Aldo, I know we've seen. Let me walk down here. Oh, here's a white one for 119. DKNY. I was at TJ Maxx the other day, and well, their handbag department was empty. That's 59. DKNY. Oh yeah, same Jessica. Same one. That one's 40. I don't think I've seen the studded black Aldo one. Open here's like all the like wicker ones. They're 17. There's like so many out. Look at this Steve Madden one. You get a water bottle with it as well. Another Steve Madden 50. It's a good carry-on. Oh, here's Hello Kitty. These are cute little fuzzy ones. They're $8. Says love on it. Those are 5. Of course, socks. Oh, there's more Hello Kitty socks. They're $8. And of course they have Nightmare. Okay, let me walk down here.
Good afternoon, Marshall customers. Thank you for shopping with us here at Thankfully Fetch.
Oh, these are kind of cute. Like a little thermos for work. Lunch, $13. They have multiple colors to choose from. I like that. It's a French fry cutter. Oh, these have little doggies on them. If you do make your dog food, I guess you could pre-make them. It's going to take up a lot of room though. I just like pre-make turkey meatloaf, put it on a slice of dry. You're good to go. $5.99 here. I do like the wooden stuff. Cinderella, Under the Sea, Be Our Guest, 25, and then more Disney. That's a cute Pooh Bear one. I don't think we've seen this one, not with Tigger. Normally we find Pooh with Piglet. So pretty rare. Oh yeah, well there's Piglet. $13.
You know, you'll never see owl on anything.
Oh, that's right.
Somebody will say, how about kangaroo? And we'll just say, nobody cares.
No, I've seen kangaroo on stuff. Oh, this is all like clearance. So some of this stuff is marked down. Need a lemon holder, $2. Onion.
Yeah, rabbit's like the first Squidward, isn't it?
And gnomes. Oh my gosh. I seen this one last year. Top of the morning. I have little lucky dogs. Irish pub. Look at the Irish pub by Blue Sky for 25. So funny. Oh, here is a, you know, tumbler. You can put your, you know, stuff in there. Kiss Me, $5.99. A Lucky Charm. And this right here is $7. A little gnomey. They're like sand. Oh, they come with a mug. You get a gnome and a mug. Oh yeah, these are all gnome and a mugs. Table runner. Pot holders. These are cute. These are by Martha for $7. Ooh, look at this green pajama for $17. Top and bottom. There we go. Some robes in here. A lot of these pajamas I've always seen. So I'm trying to skip over them. But look at the Snoopy. The heart one. Little nightshirt are 10. It's a Be Mine. Okay. A little bit of spring, I guess you want to call it. Look at these butterflies are 10. That's kind of cool, right? I did spot a few Easter, just a little bit. Let's look over here at the end cap. Okay, here we go. Oh, look. The duck and the rabbit. These are 10. They have glasses on them. And like tulips on top. That bunny. This one's adorable for 8. I like that. These are nice pots. A turtle again, a bunny for 8. They're so cute. There we go. That chair is the yellow markdown for 89 was 200, but you need 2. Does this one swivel? They don't, but put a little cushion. I love decor like that. Nothing too hot. Oh my gosh, look at that. These are nice for 25. I like that beaded one. Oh, they're cute. It's 25 over there.
They're gone. 600 bucks a piece.
This is 18 from 30, the robot guy, the smash guy. Let's see, this guy is 12 from 20 now. So only a little bit of stuff. Nothing too exciting. But I mean, you can save it for a birthday party. Like that truck in the back is 18. That's a yellow tag. Oh, not enough doggy beds. I gotta get a new bed for my dog. I was debating on just buying like something like this. 25, but I don't know. I buy like a memory foam off Amazon. Let's see, $3. Look at these Juicy Couture bike shorts for children. You know, good playwear. Some are $2 in here too. Here's some Champion. These are $4. So, oh yeah, that's actually a good deal. If you find shorts for like $4 or $2, I would definitely grab them because Walmart, they don't do that. I think Granimals now, well, Granimals what, $4? $3.54? I'm not too sure. Valentine stuff. Look at that groovy shirt in the men department. Let's see, a yellow tag is 8 from 13. Okay. That's a lot of Valentine stuff. Ladybug one's cute down there. Oh, this is adorable. 10, you get 2. The blankets. That's funny. I not finding a lot of boy clothes. Somebody asked me to show boy stuff. We have Thankful for 4. This is all the boys right now. I think we're gonna have to wait for anything new. Maybe we're in January, February. I don't know. Maybe like more springish. Trying to figure out what else to show. Got Crash, Goosebumps, 8 Jalas. Nautica, New York. These are just like casual. I did notice though this year in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, they didn't really have a lot of hoodies. Normally they're the hoodie central. That's where I get my stuff.
It's just a patch.
Oh yeah.
I wish there was a back to it.
Beavis and Butthead. Okay, in the shoe department, check this one out. Hydro Runner.
They're like bones.
They're Morel.
It's like a cactus skeleton.
I mean, Morel's a good brand.
Mm-hmm.
Not too sure how much these are. Oh, they're 25. 25.
It's pretty good for morels.
What is this down here? $29.99. Oh, Ken is cool. Every now and then you can find like really nice shoes. Oh, this is another. Is this a brand I like? Oh yeah, good brand. $59.99. Snow boot, snowshoe. Yeah. Let's see. I know we've seen these bling ones. I feel like they always have the bling ones. This one has a little bit of platform. 20. And this one is 20 as well. Oh no. Alright you guys, I think I'm gonna end it. I was trying to go through the clothing, but the clothing, because they have, you know how they have like clearance? There's just a lot of people in there. I can't even squeeze in. I'm not going to. I'm gonna let the ladies shop. Let them shop. Let's see. Anything else new? They have the child for 8. Oh, a lot of the Cushionaire slides are gone. I was gonna grab a pair for the house. Oh, here we go. Oh, those are too big. Let's see, for children, a lot of mini. You might have seen these before. They have them in pink and purple too. These are 12. Stride Right. Oh gosh, what is this one? 15. BB. It's 25. And not as much for little boys. It's kind of a bummer, right? Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.